Tielo mar adek mar bero ne ringre manoyudi e bungu ma Shakahola dhi mbele. Kawuono bero ne otim ne ringre 8 ka 7 kuomgi ne gin mag joma dongo to achiel en mar nyathi. Duoko mar nonro yango ni ji 2 nowito ngimagi kaluwore kod hinyruok e wigi, ka moko 3 to ne otho nikech kech. Ringre moko 3 to nokethore ahinya, gino manomuono jobero yango kit tho mane oyudogi. Nyaka sani bero koro osetim ne ringre 338.
We've done a total of 8 postmortems. Of these 8 postmortems, adults were 7, while 1 was a child. As per gender, 3 of them were male, 5 of them were female. Then 2 of them were moderately decomposed, while 6 of them were severely decomposed. We managed to find that 2 of them had head injury, while 3 of them had starvation, and 3 we were unable to ascertain the cause of death. So having finished these autopsies, there's one who we have not done, the gentleman who died at the prison. The reason being that we are still waiting for the relatives who are on the way, so that now once they're here and they're able to identify their kin, we'll be able to do the postmortem. So with this, we are planning to go to the next phase of exhumation, so that we go find out whether there are any other graves remaining there and continue with the whole process.